Enabling first person view in SurrounDead is quite easy. What do you need to press? Well, the thing with first person view here, this could actually limit your perspective or your view here, but the thing with this one is it's more immersive. So the key for changing your perspective is by pressing T on your keyboard. So if you press T, as you can see, we are now in first person view, and you can go and just basically start looting and playing as it is. But just in case this does not work for you, it means like you have your perspective key assigned to a different key. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just access your settings here. Let's go to our escape, click on the settings, and you want to go to controls, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see the other section, and you want to look for the option that says change camera perspective. Now you can assign any key that you want to use in here, but by default it's going to be T. Now if you have this assigned to a different one, well, in this case you need to make sure that you set it to T or anything of your preference. But yeah, so once you press T, and that should change your perspective. As you can see right now, it's going to be a lot scarier. You'll get some jump scares from time to time, but that's about it. So hopefully these videos able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.